Hello students, how are you all? So today we are going to learn and understand the chapter Subject and Predicate, chapter number 3, standard 5th English grammar. So students, before I start this chapter, I would like to tell you, subscribe this channel, press the bell icons to get all the notifications of the videos, and like it, share the videos to your friends. So let's start the chapter. So the chapter is subject and predicate. So what do you mean by subject and predicate? So let's understand it. Here is the subject, here is the predicate, and is equals to make a complete sense. That means in a subject and predicate subject chapter, we must know what is subject, what is predicate, and how it makes a complete sentence. Got it? So subject plus predicate equals to makes a complete sentence. This is the first step. Second, let's understand the subject properwise. Subject means naming part. Clear? Then in the naming part, in naming part there may be a noun or pronoun first. Then comes to predicate. So in predicate, it is a telling part, that means to saying something, telling part, and in the predicate there is a verb and the rest of the sentence included in that sentence. Clear? Understandable? Okay. Let's see. Note. This is the important one. So in a sentence there are two parts, that means subject and predicate, two parts. So in that two parts, naming part, telling part, and in subject naming part it has noun and pronoun, and in predicate telling part verb and rest of the sentence. So in subject, right now we will understand the subject. So in the subject part, in a sentence there are two parts. So two parts, what? A subject and predicate are two parts in a sentence. Clear? So students, first we will get a clear concept of subject, then we will do the next predicate. Understood? Yes. So see question number 1. Question number 1, what is called subject? Answer is, a subject is a person, place, thing or idea that is being discussed within a particular situation. It is the noun or pronoun that performs the action of a verb in a sentence. That means answer is telling us that where there is a sentence, in that sentence there will be a person, a place or thing or an idea which indicates that it is a part of subject and it is performing actions in a particular situation. So it is a noun or pronoun. I have told you that in the naming part there is noun or pronoun. Same thing. It is the noun or pronoun that performs the action of a verb in a sentence. Clear? Yes. So now note down this. We speak or talk about some person or thing in a sentence is subject. That means it tells us that in a sentence subject is doing some actions or performing some actions that indicates to the subject. So in a sentence there is a subject which performing some actions. Clear? Got it? So note down in your book and you can take a screenshot also. So now student, we will go for the predicate. Before that we have understood what is subject, and in the subject naming part, noun or pronoun in the subject part, and now we will understand the predicate. So I've already told you that predicate is having a telling part, verb and the rest of the sentence. So let's see in the question. Question number 2. Question number 2. What is called the predicate? Answer. What is said about the subject is called the predicate. That means in a predicate, after the subject, in the predicate part, predicate is saying that something about the subject. Saying that something about the subject, that means the subject is doing some actions or some activities which is informing about the subject. That means what is said about the subject is called the predicate. And most important note, in the predicate part it has a verb. That means before verb there must be a subject. Before verb there must be a subject, and in the subject there will be a naming part. That means noun or pronoun. Got it? Very good. And in the predicate part, verb and rest of these sentences. Understandable? It is very easy. Don't be confused. Make it clear. Is there any doubt? You can ask. No doubt? Very good. Is it okay? So, write it in your notebook. Take a screenshot. And in the next video, we will do the exercises. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.